Mrs. Vakil, coming to you, sort of your perspective on this, you deal with a very different customer segment, right? And how has it been to sort of ensure that customer experience is sort of delivered to the expectations, and not only that, but made better possibly in the past few months?
Sure. So, Rudra, the thing with wealth management is that it's a high touch business. And to borrow a line from Anita ma'am, who just said that in this, it is not purely digital, it's a lot of assisted journeys with an RM playing a large role in terms of client interface. So, particularly over the last 6 months when COVID started, I completely echo what Mr. Mehra said. We had the same challenges because we had to get everybody working from home. We had to shift entire broking dealing operations from home. Now the markets are at lifetime high, but you would recall that earlier in March, there was a lot of transaction volumes that were happening at that point in time. Every asset class had its own peculiar reaction, whether it was debt, whether it was gold, whether it was equities. And with people being at home, clients being at home, there was a lot of pressure on us to ensure that these transactions that happened actually happened quite seamlessly. So yes, to borrow the line that Mr. Mehra said, take everybody at home, get them operating, get VPNs operating, ensuring that client transaction settlement processing happened through and through. They were able to take advantage of market opportunities at that point in time. The interesting part from our perspective at that time is that we also saw a great willingness of our clients to operate digitally at that point in time. We saw increased usage of our web and app, people starting to kind of directly invest into mutual funds and stock portfolios at that point in time. For other areas of portfolios where direct transactions were not possible, that is where I think we tried to ensure that we tried to move it as seamlessly as possible to ensure executions happened at that point in time. So I think that was one of the challenges that we faced right at the initially at COVID. And I think in that sense, all our processes kind of geared up in place. We found the loopholes, we found the others to ensure that we could deliver a seamless client experience there.